Hello guys! Good morning! Ito, day 2 namin dito sa Hong Kong. Dito sa Hotel East Mongkok. May mga ready na yung mga bulilits. Okay. Ready na sila. Mami, ready na ate. So guys, today we're going to Disneyland. Yung pinapakahintay ni Baby Bea and ate. So today pupunta kami doon. But first of all, maghahanap muna kami ng breakfast namin because the breakfast is not included on our booking. So marami naman mabibilan dyan sa baba guys, no? So along the way maghanap kami ng food. Tapos diretso na kami sa Disneyland. We will take the train. Magti-train kami this time para mas mabilis. Let's go. Okay. So guys, mamaba muna kami. Dito kayo later. Hello guys. Dito na kami sa train station. Going to Sunny Bay. Pupunta daw siya ng Disney. Ayan si Mami. Saan naiwan si Mami? So, hindi gumana yung octopus card niya, no? Yung doon lang sa red line na train station. Pinaayos niya pa doon sa information. Pero in few minutes nakasunod na rin siya sa baba. Okay na. Ate. Ayan, pupunta siya ng Disney. Okay yung train station dito guys, effective naman. Guys, dito kami sa Qingyi. So pinababa kami, no, lilipat ng ibang train. Ayan, kagarahe yata yung train. So nag-aantay kami ng panibagong dadaan. Papunta ng Sunny Bay. Yung Sunny Bay, doon kami lilipat ulit kami ng train papunta ng Disney. Second day, Disneyland. Third day, bukas. So guys, going to Sunny Bay. Sunny Bay Station. Ito na guys yung interchange train, no? Going to Disney. Okay, punta ng Disney si ate. Leia. So wait lang natin yung train. Punta ng Disney. Isang train pa. Yung Disney na train na. May Mickey Mouse.
I know that train.
You know that train?
Like the windows are shaped as Mickey Mouse.
Yes. Excited mo ba?
Frozen ever after. Tapos, Iron Man experience. You like Iron Man.
Of course.
I have no money.
But you have the octopus pa.
My money is at
Hmm?
Mommy didn't let me open my piggy bank for 2 years. He asked this. What do you want to ride? What do you want to ride? Wala siyang gusto.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo i-try?
Frozen Ever After, Mystic Manor, everything. This way.
Yan na.
The window.
Okay guys, ito na yung train. Papunta ng Disney. Take a seat, take a seat. Alright na lang. Disneyland na.
The windows are the Mickey Mouse. And the whole thing is a Mickey Mouse.
Guys, dito na kami. Hmm? We are here. Early pa tayo. pass. Mauna kayo. Enter. Wait mo muna. Yun guys, nakarating na kami dito sa Hong Kong Disney.
Oh, picturean ko kayo dyan sa gitna.
Kami. Nakay sa bilog. Okay guys, tapos na kami doon sa entrance, doon sa may Disneyland signage, arco. Yan. Si Mami nakadami ng picture doon.
Daddy, look.
Yung dream niya come true na. Oh. Dream come true ng Disney si Mami.
Daddy, look.
Where?
Big whale.
Big whale. That's Moby Dick. Big whale with Mickey Mouse on top. Buti hindi masyadong maaraw ngayon. Makulimlim, tama lang. Happy?
Winnie the Pooh. It's Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. Lahat ng mga Disney character dito mo makikita.
Simba.
Simba. Ito,
Hindi ko alam.
Genie. Isa, oh.
Alice.
Alice in Wonderland.
Snow White.
Snow White.
Mickey Mouse, and I don't know who's that. How's Mickey Mouse floating? Daisy Duck and Donald Duck.
Guys, ito may check bag. Baka mo, bebe.
Ay! Ginagano ko yung camera na ko.
Ginaganito ni ate tapos naka-record pa.
Okay guys, ito kami sa mga early pass.
I already saw the castle. I saw
So
the
nag-avail kami ng early pass to.
Mama, dito na kayo.
Mawawala na kayo. Copy.
Anong copy na?
Yung ano?
Have a great day. Thank you. Okay guys, pasok na. na-scan na yung aming QR codes for the early pass entry. So we're here inside. Mahabang pila. So pagpasok pala doon, pipila pa. So hindi pa, pero hindi pa ganoon karami. Hindi kagaya pag ano, late ka na pumunta rito, sobrang dami.
It's also the same. Yeah.
Dito, dito. Pila na pala. Dito. Isang pila lang. So, magpalilay muna kami bago sila magsimula magpapasok.
Sila yung mga walang entry, mga ayaw niya eh.
Open na yung gate para sa mga early pass. 9:30 AM. Okay guys, nakapasok na kami here. Ito yung main entrance. So magpapapicture muna kami dito guys. Kami na. Hindi makita eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Si ate. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, mami. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na. Okay guys, dito na kami sa loob ng Disney. Ito yung famous entrance. O sa inyong castle guys. As you can see, the castle. Ito yung trademark ng Disneyland. Yung napakagandang castle. So mamaya pupunta kami guys sa World of Frozen muna, sabi ni Commander Chief.
Frozen and then the Frozen roller coaster.
Habang konti pa yung tao. Okay guys, dito kami sa World of Frozen. So ito muna daw yung unahin namin. World of Frozen. So makita namin si Olaf. Wow! It's very nice. Ganda ate. Oh, wow. Asan si Olaf? Where's Olaf?
Tunaw na.
Ayaw ni Mami yung roller coaster. Sabi niya, maiwan na lang daw siya. The frozen roller coaster. It's just like Mount Grizzly Bear.
Okay.
That's that. Sliding cave. That's
This one is too cold when you get inside.
oh my god.
아니 언니랑 사 아빠 뒤에 타고 있잖아. 어?